Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by waking the device and opening the battery area. This gives real-time info. Once there, check the immediate percentage and estimated time remaining. This tells you current load and drain. Make sure to close heavy apps to see baseline consumption, because background tasks distort results. If you want a stress test, plug in the charger and note charging behavior. These first steps establish a controlled starting point, so later readings reflect true battery health and usage patterns. Once done with the basics, dive into detailed metrics to understand why the battery performs a certain way. You open app usage to see which apps consume the most power and note their percentages. This explains quick drains. Then, inspect temperature and voltage because heat shortens battery life and odd voltages signal faults. If the system shows charge cycles or capacity info, compare full charge capacity versus design capacity to determine aging. These metrics give you actionable reasons to adjust settings or plan replacement. To finish, run a calibration. Charge to 100%, use the device until shutdown, then charge uninterrupted to 100%. This refines estimates. Once done, monitor post-calibration behavior for stable percentage and realistic time estimates. Make sure to keep software updated because firmware fixes often resolve drain. If you still see rapid loss, reset power settings or run built-in diagnostics. Troubleshooting tip: if temperature is consistently high or capacity is far below design, replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.